Guys, we're here now. I managed to get the setter in place, but that's not. I had to struggle. I had to go forward and back and more forward and back, but I didn't get it really like I wanted to. So that damn snow. If I went that side, the chipper would roll over to that side. If I went this side, it was just sliding out here. And if I tried to back over it, the setter wouldn't go. It just started spinning tires. Because this snow, it's not that much, but it's so powdery that the tires just spin and spin and spin, and then it's ice under. I thought it would be more gravel under here, so when I span the tires it will come some gravel, but as you see here, that's ice. So I think they have, what they have done, they have plowed this before and then it melted and got ice, and then this snow come on, because we're I hope we get here from, because the setter is almost stuck, and when I'm chipping it I hope we don't sink down and we get stuck. Yeah, let's go guys.